And what is the statement? How it works? We can see that. Statement, you can see the statement. Is my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari. Close the door. Close the door. Suppose that summation UN. Summation UN is a series of positive terms. Series of positive terms. In most of the cases, we are discussing about the positive terms only. Series of positive terms such that you can see what here it is. Limit n tending to infinity. Un is nothing but our nth term here. For that nth term, we have to take nth root. So I repeat once again, nth root of nth term. It is equal to L.
And
Then the case 1 arises here. If the value of L, whatever we are getting, if it is less than 1, then convergent. This is our special case where we are going to say less than 1 case is convergent. Now case 2, there it is case 2 is if your value of L must be greater than 1, then we say it is divergent. Greater than 1 is a divergent case.
divergent.
And we have just 1 second. Next, third case is if L is equal to 1, test phase. That is our case 3. If L is equals to 1, it is the value of L here. If L is equal to 1, we say test phase. Now, how the question will come in this topic and how we are going to solve it, that one we can see. I was trying to use Google Meet for these online classes, but it is not working. That's what we come back to this again. Zoom is very good.
Okay, sir.
Very good platform to use. Now, how the problem will come? Test the convergence of I have sent so many PDFs for you. In that PDF, look at one important formula here. Whenever limit n tending to infinity, and you are, suppose you will get this situation like that. 1 plus 1 by n and raised to the power of n. If this value n and this value n will be same, then we say the answer is E only.
Okay,
So
sir.
here the question is summation n is varying from 1 to infinite. Okay, and let me take the question is 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of minus n square. Now look at that. What I want to tell you. How you know that this question will be solved by using nth root test only. मतलब सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोले तो आप कैसा पहचानेंगे? nth root टेस्ट से करना है बोल के कैसा पहचानेंगे? कहीं पर लिखा हुआ है क्या? नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
तो कैसा पहचानेंगे आप? How you identify that? You have to solve this question by using nth root test only. Come on, do you have
UN
any idea about it?
raised to the power of 1 by n है ना sir?
Yes, the power should be in terms of n. So step number one we have to apply. Summation value itself is a un value, that is 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power of minus n. And now here the working rule is also very simple. You have to find out un here, this un. Then we have to take the nth root of this. Power 1 by n means nth root. Power 1 by 2 means square root. Power 1 by 3 means cube root. Like that. So what to do here is we have to take the nth root, that is raising to the power of 1 by n for this term and for this answer also. Like that. It is first n square we are getting, and then it is all to the power of 1 by n we are getting. What is the advantage of this? If you see, square term with this n will be cancelling out here. And now here you see un of 1 by n, that is equal to, we are getting 1 plus 1 by n all to the power of 1 n term is cancelled, so 1 n is left over here. Understand? Which for our convenience
Yes
can
sir.
be written as 1 plus 1 by n. Okay, so anything power negative means, according to basic rule, I can also write 1 by form. 1 plus 1 by n, that's to the power of n. This power will be go to the numerator, means anyhow it is becomes negative. So what to do here is we have to apply the limit. Third step we are moving. Only for 2 marks we can expect this topic.
Yes.
1 by n. This is equal to, now this limit will go to the limit n is approaching to infinity for this term totally 1 by 1 plus 1 by n all to the power of n. This bracket will be closed. So now you see, whenever you are getting the form of f of x by g of x, I think it is better to continue here. Limit intending to infinity, nth root of un is equals to, now if you notice, I am getting the situation like that. Limit will go to the numerator. This is numerator is 1, and the limit will go to the denominator. But there is no use at all when limit will go to the numerator, because limit of the constant is constant itself. It means limit, if you go to the numerator, nothing will be a change. But if it is going to the denominator, it is becomes what? Tell me. Limit intending to infinity. It is now coming to this situation. 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power of n. Now what do you say? What is this? According to the yellow color formula, this is nothing but e. And you see 1 by
1 by
e, 0.7183. But now you have a calculator. You tell me whatever you are getting, that is definitely less than 1. एक बार करके देख लीजिए, an answer मेरे को बोलिए. मैं करके बोलूं क्या? नहीं
नहीं सर. 2.7
5.7183. Answer is 0.37.
0.367.
Are you getting the same?
0.367 आ रहा सर.
Yeah, that is correct only. That is correct only. Yes.
सर अपन ये 2.7183 कैसा ले लिए?
ये e की वैल्यू है. आप एक काम करो, ये नहीं लेके डायरेक्ट 1 by e करके देख लो आप.
डायरेक्ट ई.
हाँ, डायरेक्ट ई रहता. शिफ्ट शिफ्ट बटन है वहां पर, शिफ्ट शिफ्ट के बाजू अल्फा है.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो आप क्या करना, फ्रैक्शन ओपन करके 1 by अल्फा का, अल्फा की वैल्यू ई है.
ओके सर.
ये वैल्यू है, ई की वैल्यू है 2.7183. getting or not? Tell me.
नो सर, नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा ठीक
पहले
है.
शिफ्ट करूं मैं.
ई की वैल्यू, ई इज इक्वल टू करके देख लो आप. सिंपल, खाली क्या करो मालूम, ई
ये
इज
आ
इक्वल
रहा
टू,
है. आ रहा भी नहीं सर ई।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं इसको बाद में बताता हूँ आपको। पहले तो इसका आंसर लेस देन वन आता बोल के देख लीजिए आप।
इसको याद रख ले सकते ई की
हाँ,
वैल्यू
रख
टू
सकते
पॉइंट
रख
सेवन
सकते
वन एट थ्री
रख सकते हैं। आपको मैं कैलकुलेटर से कैसा करना है वो भी मैं आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में बता देता हूँ। लेट्स कंटिन्यू, वी हैव टू गो फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इट इज नॉट द बिग टास्क। अगर आप खाली वन बाई ई भी लिख दिए वहां पर, वन बाई ई लेस देन वन लिखे तो भी एक्सेप्टेड है, इसके लिए ज्यादा कुछ टेंशन लेना चाहिए। One by e is understood that it is less than one, so we need not to worried about it. So now you see in this scenario only what we are discussing means Kochi's nth root test we are discussing. I have sent already a PDF. This is containing 7 pages. In that everything is there. You go through the. I think you are not seen that PDF. That's what you are having the problem. Otherwise, if you see the PDF, you will not have any doubt. Okay, no problem. Let me discuss one more question in this format. This is your question number 2. Now the question is, test the convergence of test the convergence of test the convergence of summation 1 plus 1 by root n 1 plus 1 by root n raised to the power of minus n square here. Now this raised to the power of minus n square itself indicates that we are going to apply, we have to apply root test only. Now the
यस
step
सर
number 1 is the
चीज रूट
summation
टेस्ट।
value itself is a un value. Have you done this test before?
यस सर क्लास में कराया सर मैंने।
It is to the power of minus n square. Immediately we have to move on for the second step, that is we have to take its nth root, un to the power of 1 by n. Actually the order is after ratio test we have to go for rabies test, but the test is very lengthy and I'm not feeling well because we don't have the class from the last 2 days. That's what I'm taking the class. बाद में देखेंगे अभी,
थैंक यू।
रेबी टेस्ट बाद में देखेंगे, इतना बड़ा है, मैं उतना उतना पेशेंस नहीं है बैठे उतना। ये स्क्वायर, ये एन कैंसिल हो जाएगा, देखिए आप, दिस स्क्वायर एंड दिस एन विल बी कैंसिल, वन एन इज लेफ्ट ओवर देयर ना, यस और नो?
यस सर।
Power of 1 by n, and this is what 1 plus 1 by n, 1 by root n actually, and 1 to the power of minus n is left over here. Now we know the rule of mathematics, any power negative can be written in a 1 by form.
यस
That
सर
rule we apply.
पैटर्न फॉर्म।
Yeah. So anything power negative can be written in a 1 by form. So that I'm writing that un to the power of 1 by n is equals to 1 plus 1 by root n. Power negative, na? So I think I should go for that step only. 1 by 1 plus 1 by root n to the power of n. Yeah, up to here, any doubt?
नो सर।
Because the next step will become a very good step, and that is our conclusion. So this is equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 by root n 1 to the power of n ओके, इसको मैं कैसा लिख रहा हूँ जरा एक बार बड़ा बड़ा लिखूंगी। 1/1 plus 1/√n
1/10.
to the power of n we have already. अब एक छोटा सा यहाँ पर थोड़ा ट्रिक देखिए आप, तो उसको बताएंगे आपको येलो कलर से। To the power of 1/2 to the power of 2। ऐसा करने से ये प्रॉब्लम में क्या इफेक्ट होता है, ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाता ना। Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's it. That's we
Yes,
have
sir.
we're getting the conclusion. Now this is un is equal to un to the power of 1/n is equal to 1/1 plus कुछ टीवी वगैरह कुछ तो भी ऑन है क्या वहां पर आपके पास, वो कंफ्यूजन डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा।
8 seconds, sir. वो बाजू के घर में कुछ लगा लेते हैं लोग।
ओके, n to the power of 1/2, n to the power of 1/2 का मतलब क्या होता बोलिए, √n होता ना।
Yes, sir. And
हाँ,
root
that whole square will be as it is। ओके, ये 1/2 को जस्ट इसके साथ मर्ज कर देके रूट बना दिया। एंड नाउ थर्ड स्टेप वी हैव टू मूव ऑन।
yes, sir.
Third step we have to move on. That is, what is the third step? See, we have to apply the limit. Now taking limit n tending to infinity, un to the power of 1/n is equals to, yes, last problem already I explained that the limit will going to the numerator will have no use at all. 1 plus 1/√n to the power of √n. Now look at this rule. It's very important rule. With this value, if this value दोनों का अगर 1/n दोनों सेम है तो उसका आंसर e।
Yes, sir.
तो दोनों सेम ही है, देखो आप इधर।
1/e.
यस, तो 1/, अच्छा यहाँ पर कुछ मिस कर दिया अपन। एक काम करेंगे, थोड़ा बैक चले जाएंगे, यहाँ पर इसके साथ में ये इसका एक स्क्वायर है, फिर ब्रैकेट बंद करेंगे। ओके ना, दिस
1/e
इज
square लिखते हैं क्या इसको?
1/, this total becomes e and square will be as it is। तो कोई भी वैल्यू 1 के बाद 1/, फॉर्म में है तो डेफिनेटली लेस देन 1 ही होती है। आप इसको 0 पॉइंट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो करो, नहीं करना है तो भी नो प्रॉब्लम। 1/, फॉर्म है तो उल्टा हो गया तो 0 से छोटा ही छोटा। अब इसकी वैल्यू निकाल के भी आप लिख सकते हैं अगर लिखना है तो, अगर कोई मसला नहीं है नहीं लिखे तो। बाय रूट टेस्ट
0.135 है।
summation un convergent, because we are getting less than 1, that's what it is convergent, and this is your problem will be completed। okay,
Yes, sir.
एक और क्वेश्चन देखना चाह रहे हैं, now look at that। In the same situation, means root test only we are continuing। In that pdf we have so many questions I have given to you। एक बार आप रिवाइज कर लेते तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाती थी ये सब चीजें, बट आप रिवाइज करें ही नहीं शायद तो।
सर, ये पूरे प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए मैं एक बुक खरीदी, उसमें रिवाइज करने वाली हूँ इंशाल्लाह मैं पूरे एक साथ।
कौन सी बुक खरीदते आप,
स्पाइरल
कहाँ से खरीदते हैं?
A4 साइज जेप्टो पे से खरीद लिए।
अच्छा, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम। चलिए एक और
शुरू
क्वेश्चन
करी
देखेंगे,
मैं
उसके बाद
प्रैक्टिस करना।
ये क्लास को खत्म कर देंगे। द क्वेश्चन इज,
Yes, sir.
थर्ड क्वेश्चन, टेस्ट द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ, टेस्ट द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ summation 1 plus nx by 1 plus n, nx by n plus 1 all to the power of n. Again, you can notice that there we have a power of n, so we apply root test only.
Yes, sir.
Solution, the summation value itself indicates that it is a un value. It is nx by n plus 1 all to the power of n. Immediately apply the nth root, un to the power of 1 by n is equals
1
to
by n. 2.
nx by 1 plus n all to the power of n all to the power of nth root means power n. Simply what happened? Simply this happened. These two are cancelled.
Then
Then
n
un to the power of
cancel.
1 by n is equal to n as it
And
as it is nx as it is divided by, from the denominator I would like to take n common again. We are left with this one again, plus 1 by n. This again, what is the advantage? Again, these two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. Now taking limit. That is the next step. Limit n tending to infinity for this un value means un nth root value. It means you can notice here is x is a treating as a constant will be going out of the limit n tending to infinity. It is 1 by 1 plus n. Don't forget that we don't have any power here. So as n tends to infinity, what happened? This value will become 0. If this is 0, 1 plus 0. So finally what is left over here? We have left with x is our answer. But we cannot say that it is convergent, divergent, whatever. So we have to connect all the three statements by ratio test, not ratio, root test. By root test, or simply you can write Cauchy's root test. If everything is depend upon x is less than 1, then convergent. Because we have already mentioned there in our statement that less than 1 is convergent. Second point of this statement is if x will be greater than 1, then divergent. And here we have a third point also, which is also important again. If x is equal to
if
1,
x is equals to 1, then
test fails.
the test failed.
Test fail means what happened when x is equal to 1? That scenario we have to see. What happened when x is equal to 1? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If x is equal, बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म चेक करा, टीम चेक करा, गूगल मीट चेक करा, बहुत चेक करा, but Zoom is the best. If x is equal to 1, we have to take our x value, and here we have to substitute in this equation number 1. Okay. If x is 1, can you tell me what happened here? If x is 1, क्या होता बोलिए un की वैल्यू?
1.
n power n. Okay, actually n power n अभी ऐसा
By
नहीं लिखते. n by 1 plus n all to the power of n, right?
yes.
Now look at that. Un is equal to, what to do here is n by taking n common here, 1 plus 1 by n. और ये पूरों का पावर क्या है? n is
1.
what is this
N.
advantage? The advantage is this, and this will be cancelled. Now you can see a very important point. Un is equals to, now the power of n will go to this term. Here 1 is left. 1 का power अगर n हो रहा तो no problem at all. But denominator में क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 1 plus n whole power n. Now taking limit. If you take the limit n tends to infinity, un is equal to, I told you in the third problem again, there is no problem if
1
the
by e.
limit will go to the numerator. We don't get any answer. Limit of the constant is a constant itself, but denominator will make a difference, that is 1 by e, which is less than 1.
1 by e.
Okay, so less than 1 मतलब when x is equal to 1 में भी क्या हो गया है? सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट.
Yes, sir.
सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट. कोई भी टेस्ट नहीं करे, अपन खाली लिमिट अप्लाई करें. So finally we have to write
Yes.
that point, conclusion. Conclusion मैं यहाँ पर लिख दे रहा हूँ, थोड़ा जगह नहीं है. Hence given series convergent
Yes, convergent.
अब कब हो रहा? लेस देन में भी कन्वर्जेंट हो रहा, इक्वल टू में भी कन्वर्जेंट हो रहा. इसका मतलब है x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1, और ये सीरीज आपकी हो जा रही डाइवर्जेंट when x is greater than 1, and this problem will be completed here only. But this topic is not completed. अगर आपके पास पीडीएफ है तो एक बार पढ़ लीजिए. इसमें कहीं डाउट है तो फिर मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. अदरवाइज अगर आपको डाउट नहीं है तो रेबिक्स टेस्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे इंशाल्लाह, कल 7 बजे स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना. मैं आज खत्म कर दे रहा हूँ. थोड़ा मैं बोला ना आपको, थोड़ा हेल्थ इश्यूज है, ज्यादा देर बैठ नहीं सक रहा हूँ. फिर भी 2 दिन क्लास नहीं हुई आपकी, इसलिए कल भी होंगे इंशाल्लाह. होप फॉर द बेस्ट. राइट,
Thank you, sir.
ये
Thank you, sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग और पीडीएफ आपको मिल जाएगा अभी.